Miss Valerie Tino! Alam mo lang natin yung sumugaw ulit, no?
Thank you, Jess. Hello, good morning, everyone. So, grateful that you guys are spending your Wednesday morning with us and then medyo maulan. So, thank you for coming. And I'm sorry we're a bit late. We wanted to wait for the people who wanted to come to just join us and sana na busog naman kayo. So, I'll do this very quick because I know some of you guys still have appointments this afternoon. So, the DDJ has been in the market for the past 20 years. I never really thought that this would last this long, to be honest. Noong 2006, nagtatrabaho kami ni Jazz sa Summit Media. So, but in the past few years talaga kami ni Jazz, madami kaming lifetimes together. So, 2006, when we launched the DDJ Power Plan, I never thought we'd reach this stage ng mga 20 years. And it wouldn't have been possible if not for the Bellas, the girls, the users who supported us across the years. And we've transitioned in so many ways. We've changed. We had like a BDJ box, we had different kinds of planners, we had Navi, Essentials, and Everything is Possible, and many others. And we've done so many events as well, like the fashion series, the BDJ fair, the beauty boot camps, and many others. Our vision is just essentially to engage the community of Filipinas as much as possible to activate their dreams. And that's why in our 20th anniversary, we want to move forward to Big Dreams journey. So from BDJ, that is Belle de Jour Power Planner, we're changing the name to Big Dreams journey because we want to emphasize na what we want in our community and what we want to communicate with BDJ is that we want our dreamers to do some action, to take small steps, to live a life, to live their life to the fullest. So, essentially, yun naman yung essence ng BDJ ever since the beginning. Earlier, I was sharing, the first tagline ng BDJ is really living life to the fullest. So, may konting tweaks lang kami. Bakit? Kasi, yung napansin namin, and we actively shared this, like, even in the earlier years. In the Philippines, there was a study that was done. It was done by Team Project PH, my good friend Prim Paipon. They did a study that 7 out of 10 Filipinos don't dream anymore. And this was pre-pandemic. So meaning yung mga Pilipino, ayaw na mangarap. Bakit? Wala nang pag-asa eh. Yung hirap ng buhay, ganito na talaga. Paulit-ulit. And ano yung 5 reasons? The first reason is lack of conversations. Yung conversations lang natin, anong career yung pwede kang kumita ng pera para masuportahan mo yung family? Yun yung conversation. Hindi yung ano yung gusto mong gawin, how do you bring together your ikigai, which is what we talk about in leadership, wherein your purpose and then also earn money. Kasi it needs to come together. So, wala tayong mga ganung conversations. So, that's number 1. Number 2 reason why Filipinos will be yung belief in self, yung self-efficacy. Do I believe that I can do something about my needs? The number 3 is the lack of passion. And to think na Filipinos are thought na to be one of the most passionate. But what is passion? Passion can be seen as a bit of an obsession into something to make it into a reality. So, nandun din yung grit. Paano ba tayo nagkakaroon ng grit? Pag nakakakita tayo ng role models. Right? Role models na, kung sa probinsya namin, dito, hindi meron kaming tao, diba? Role models are so important na may isa dito na girl na nakapagtapos, nakapag-aral, nakapaghanap ng trabaho, nakapagtrabaho sa Manila or nakapagtrabaho sa abroad. That role modeling is so important. And why am I talking about it? It's because when we don't have role models, mas hindi nangangarap yung mga tao. Kasi it makes it feel like it's not possible. So that's why it goes back to point number 1, which is the reason we need to have more conversations with groups. So that's why we hope with the Big Dreams journey, we can help us encourage, inspire more Filipinos to dream again after the pandemic, despite all the challenges that we are encountering right now, and to do it with action. And do it small steps at a time. Meron akong isang image na hindi ko napakita, but I always use it in my workshops. It's a vision. You can just Google it. It's a ladder of small steps. The importance of small steps. So there will be 2 ladders. One ladder, napakataas, from step 1 to step 2 to step 3. The second ladder has small steps. And you can see that the person climbing the ladder with small steps, mas malayo ang narating. Sometimes when we're too stuck, hindi natin alam anong gagawin, hindi lang small enough yung step. So that's the inspiration that we have for Big Dreams. And I hope we can help us pass on the message to everyone. And right now, may time tayo. So we promise a small activity, which I will be facilitating.